So when you turn on your TV, you're gonna get to the screen here. So you wanna make sure that you have your remote just like this one. And it says here, press the OK button on the wheel, which is this one in the middle right here, this wheel here. So you wanna press it once, and then you're gonna get to the screen where you have these two options. So you wanna go to the one that says TV, and then you wanna click OK, and again OK is this button in the middle here on the roller. And then over here it's going to ask you for language and location settings, and what you want to make sure to do is to come to time zone and then put in your time zone. My time zone right now is this one labeled here, Johannesburg, but you can put in the one that corresponds with your location and where you are. So I'm going to put this one and say Johannesburg, and that's all I need to do over here. You can also change the language and the region as well. Mine is Southern Africa, so that's the one I'm going to put. And the countries here is just the listed countries. As you can see, South Africa is also right here, but you choose your country that comes up here. Next up, I'm just going to click next like that. And then over here, you can log into your Wi-Fi right here. And when you log into your Wi-Fi, you can make sure that the TV receives internet. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my Wi-Fi. Okay, so you can see here it says I'm connected. And then next up, we're going to get to the terms and conditions. And then after it loads, you can either skip this or next, but we want to set this up. So it's just best to do this now so that you don't have to deal with it later on. So I'm just going to say next. If you want to read it and go through it, you can go ahead. And then over here, you also have more terms and conditions. I'm just going to come down here to select all, but you can also take a look at them as well if you want to. And then I'm going to say more. So it scrolls and say agree. And then it goes up to here on the next page. On this next page here, it says analyzing of user environment. Connect all the devices to your TV and then turn them on. So if you have devices like extra things like a sound bar or a device that you just you want to connect to a TV, it could be a PlayStation, could be an Xbox, any device you want to connect, make sure it's connected when it gets here so that it scans. Or you can also just retry if you connected it. As you can see here on HDMI 2, you can see there's the Samsung soundbar right here. So I'm just going to say next because that's the only thing I have connected. And then next up, we've got check settings. Over here is more for TV. So you say the way you watch TV. So for me right now, I'm just going to say TV only. And then I'm going to go next. But if you have a set-top box only, you can choose that. If you have TV and set-top box, then you can go ahead and do that. For me, it's just TV only. And then I'm going to say next. And then you can choose how your TV is either wall-mounted or on a stand. This one, as you can see on the screen, it's on a stand, so I'm going to choose this one. But if you have yours mounted, you can choose the one to the right. I'm going to choose this one to the left. And then you're going to get to the AI Pro part here. And on this part, it's just up to you what to choose. If you don't want to be menu diving and selecting things like that, you can choose the AI stuff. It's going to add like clarity and just make sure that your picture looks good. And then you can also turn on this AI Sound Pro so that it can enhance your sound for you so you don't have to do it yourself. So these are nice features that you can just use if you choose to. It can really make things be a nice experience for you. And then I'm just going to go next. And then we're going to move on to the next one here. And over here, it's now about the TV. So if you have an antenna, you choose an antenna. If you have a cable or satellite, depending with how you watch TV, you can go ahead and select what you want to use, and then it's going to scan and do all sorts of things. For me, I'm just going to exit at this point like this because I rarely watch TV on this because I do online stuff. And then at this point here, you can sign in on your TV. You can sign in with the mobile web, and you can sign in on the mobile LG Think app. It's up to you. I also have a video about that. So for now, I'm just going to go ahead and skip if you don't want to sign in, on your TV. So I'm going to come up top here to skip, and I'm just going to skip this like that. And over here, if you want to download Prime Video, you can go ahead and just click that, and then you can download Prime Video. It always does this so that you can sign in. I'm just going to close for now, and then I'm going to do this, uncheck it, and then I'm going to say done, because you can still download all these apps after you're done. And then there you go, your TV is on. As you can see, it's now loaded all these things. Thanks so much for watching. Your TV is now set up. If you have questions, put them down below in the comments.